Ever been stuck in a strange city, desperately needing cash, but your bank doesn't have a single ATM in sight? Yeah, it's a feeling most of us can relate to. Especially when you bank with an online bank like Tangerine, which offers fantastic rates and convenience, but comes with the occasional downside, a lack of physical branches and ATMs. So, if you're a Tangerine user and ever found yourself in this situation, you might be wondering, what ATMs can I actually use with my Tangerine debit card? Can you use any ATM out there, or are you stuck waiting for a friendly bank branch to open? Don't worry, because in this video, we're going to break down exactly what ATMs you can use with your Tangerine card, along with some handy tips to help you save money while you're at it. Now, before we dive in, let's just address the elephant in the room. Yes, Tangerine doesn't have its own ATM network. This means you won't find any bright orange Tangerine ATMs anywhere. But that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Here's the good news. Tangerine has partnered with several major bank networks in Canada, allowing you to withdraw cash at a variety of ATMs across the country. These partner networks include Scotiabank ATMs, RBC Royal Bank ATMs, TD Canada Trust ATMs, CIBC ATMs, the National Bank ATMs, HSBC ATMs. So, as long as you see one of these bank logos, you're good to go. Just look for the Interac or Cirrus symbol on the ATM itself. That's the universal sign that your Tangerine card will be accepted. Now, let's talk about some fees. Unfortunately, using an ATM outside of the Tangerine network isn't entirely free. Tangerine itself won't charge you a fee, but the ATM provider you're using might. These fees can vary depending on the bank, but they typically range from $1.50 to $3 per withdrawal. That can add up quickly, especially if you find yourself needing cash frequently. Here are some ways to avoid these pesky ATM fees. Plan your withdrawals. Before you head out, try to anticipate how much cash you might need and make one larger withdrawal instead of several smaller ones. Ask friends or family. If you're in a pinch, see if a friend or family member who banks with one of the partner networks can help you out with a cash withdrawal. Just be sure to pay them back promptly. Look for cashback offers. Some stores offer cashback rewards when you pay for your purchases with your debit card. This is a great way to get some extra cash without having to hit the ATM. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if I'm traveling outside of Canada? The good news is that your Tangerine debit card is also part of the MasterCard network. This means you can use your card to withdraw cash at ATMs displaying the MasterCard logo pretty much anywhere in the world. However, just like with domestic ATM withdrawals, international withdrawals typically come with fees. These fees can be a combination of a foreign transaction fee charged by Tangerine, usually around 2.5%, and a fee from the ATM provider itself. Here's how to save money on international ATM withdrawals. Inform Tangerine. Before you travel, let Tangerine know you'll be using your card abroad. This helps prevent them from flagging your transactions for suspicious activity. Look for fee-free ATMs. There are some ATM providers around the world that specialize in offering fee-free withdrawals for MasterCard users. Do some research before your trip to see if there are any in your destination city. Consider using a travel card. Travel cards, like the ones offered by Wise or Revolut, can be a great way to avoid foreign transaction fees and get better exchange rates when spending money abroad. Alright, that covers pretty much everything you need to know about using ATMs with your Tangerine debit card. Remember, while you have a variety of options to choose from, a little planning can go a long way in saving you money on ATM fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.